Welcome to our channel, Get Cooking Now. Whether you're a Goan food enthusiast or exploring this cuisine for the first time, this dish is your gateway to authentic Goan flavors without the hassle. Hi, I'm Laddie, and today we're bringing you a dish that's big on flavor but very simple and easy to make. And the best part, no grinding required. Perfect for busy festive days or when you just want to treat yourself to something special. This recipe is inspired by a dish my mother-in-law used to make. This pork curry is mild, fragrant, and loaded with the sweetness of whole baby onions. It's not overly spicy, making it perfect for every palate. Follow our detailed step-by-step recipe with tips and secrets to make this dish truly outstanding. So let's get cooking now. Our recipe for today is simple and easy Goan pork curry. Step 1. Marinating the meat. Take 1 kg of boneless pork meat with fat. We have used the shoulder cut. You can also use the belly portion or any other part with fat. Wash the pork and rinse off all the water. Cut it into 2-inch cubes. Once the meat is cut, place it in a bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder. Apply it nicely to the meat.
If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon to receive a notification whenever we upload a new video.
Cover and keep aside. Step 2. Preparing the ingredients. Take 1-inch ball of tamarind in a bowl. Add half cup or 125 ml of warm water. Soak the tamarind in the warm water. After 15 minutes or so, squeeze out the pulp of the tamarind and discard any seeds, fiber or the shell. Take 4 medium-sized onions and slice them. Take 12 small baby onions. You can also use shallots. Remove the skin and wash them nicely. Take 6 Kashmiri red chilies, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 4 teaspoons of Goan spice powder, half teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder, 2 teaspoons or 10 ml of Goan vinegar. If Goan vinegar is not available, apple cider or palm vinegar can be used. 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt. Step 3. Cooking the meat. On medium-low heat, in an open, heavy-bottom pan, add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, add the sliced onions. Stir everything nicely. Stir frequently to prevent burning. Once the onions are translucent or slightly golden brown, add the ginger garlic paste. If you like this recipe, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more delicious and interesting recipes. Add the turmeric or haldi powder. Stir everything properly. Add the marinated meat and cook for 10 minutes. Stir everything nicely. Cooking the meat without water for 10 minutes will lock in the juices and make it tender and flavorful. Stir occasionally and add little water if required to prevent it from sticking to the pan. After 5 minutes, open the pan and stir everything properly. Add little water if required to prevent it from sticking to the pan. Cover and cook for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, open the pan. Add the Goan spice powder. Add the tamarind pulp. Stir everything nicely. Break the Kashmiri chilies and add. Do not add the chili seeds and stems.
Help us spread the love for Goan cuisine. Give us a thumbs up if you like our videos, and please share them with your friends and family so that they can also benefit from our recipes. Do comment with your feedback and suggestions to help us make our videos even more better for you.
Add the baby onions or shallots. Using whole baby onions in this curry enhances both its flavor and presentation. They release a natural sweetness that balances the dish, while their soft yet firm texture adds a delightful bite. Baby onions also make the dish visually appealing, plus they absorb the gravy's flavors without disintegrating, making them perfect for this Goan pork curry. Add 3 cups or 750 ml of water. Add the vinegar. Stir everything properly. Cover and cook for 30 minutes. Stir occasionally and add little water if required to prevent it from sticking to the pan. After 30 minutes, add quarter teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder. For further details regarding this or any of our other recipes, always refer to the description box for accurate and updated information. Add 1 cup or 250 ml of water. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Check if the liquid in the gravy is sufficient. After checking, we added half cup or 125 ml of water. Stir everything properly. Check for salt, spice, sweetness, sourness, and add whatever is required. Cover and cook for around 10 to 15 minutes or until it is done. Total cooking time will be around 50 to 60 minutes depending on the cut of meat and the level of heat you are using. Once the meat is cooked, turn off the heat. Delicious pork curry with baby onions is ready. Enjoy this pork curry hot with either pulao or boiled rice, bread or chapati.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.